Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show you how to make Zaxby's bread. First, you'll need to gather your ingredients, focusing on quality Texas toast. We'll then create a delicious garlic butter spread that's key to the signature flavor. This recipe is straightforward, ensuring you can recreate that beloved taste right in your own kitchen. Get ready to enjoy perfectly toasted bread, just like you'd find at Zaxby's, with minimal effort and maximum flavor. It's a simple pleasure that truly elevates any meal. The secret to Zaxby's bread lies in its rich garlic butter. Start by ensuring your butter is softened, making it much easier to blend. Then, carefully combine it with garlic powder, a touch of salt, and a hint of black pepper. Mix these ingredients until they are perfectly incorporated, creating a smooth and aromatic spread. This step is crucial for infusing every bite with that irresistible garlicky goodness. Don't rush it. A well-mixed butter makes all the difference. Hey everyone, if you're enjoying this guide on making Zaxby's bread, please hit that like button and subscribe for more delicious recipes. And speaking of keeping things clean, after you've enjoyed your tasty toast, let the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum handle the crumbs. It's voice-controlled, self-emptying, and pet-friendly, making cleanup a breeze. Check the description for the link to this amazing robot vacuum and other great deals. Now, let's get back to the video. Once your garlic butter is ready, it's time to toast. Liberally spread the butter mixture onto one side of each slice of Texas toast. Place the buttered side down onto a preheated pan or griddle over medium heat. Cook until it achieves a beautiful golden brown color and a satisfying crispness. This usually takes about 2 to 3 minutes per side. Flip and toast the other side if desired, or just enjoy the single-sided perfection. Serve immediately for the best taste.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.